You ever meet someone who's small but walks into the room like they own it? That's the 2026 Suzuki Jimny tiny footprint, towering confidence. And while the world's SUVs are busy bulking up and showing off fancy tech muscles, the Jimny, it just chuckles, throws on a boxy jacket, and climbs a mountain. Literally. But hold on. Before you write it off as just a cute little 4x4, let me ask you this. What other subcompact SUV can wade through rivers, crawl over boulders, and still squeeze into the tightest parking space at your local grocery store? Yeah, didn't think so. Let's dive in. At first glance, the Jimny looks like it time traveled. From the 80s, stopped at a hiking store, and decided never to leave. It's unapologetically boxy, with flat panels, round headlights, and a snub-nosed front that says, "I'm not here to impress, I'm here to conquer." But in 2026, Suzuki gave it just the right tweaks: refined LED lighting, sharper grille detailing, and optional two-tone paint jobs that scream retro rebel. And guess what? There's now a 5-door version. Yep, more space, more fun, still tiny. Enough to make a Mini Cooper blush. It's the kind of design that doesn't chase trends. It is the trend. Now, let's talk guts. Under the hood, the 2026 Jimny still rocks that legendary ladder frame chassis, a rarity in today's crossover-obsessed world. It's got a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and no, it's not breaking speed records. But speed isn't the point here. This thing is about torque, traction, and tenacity. With Suzuki's All-Grip Pro 4WD system, low-range transfer gear, and hill descent control, the Jimny doesn't just go off-road, it lives there. Rocks, bring 'em, mud, love it, snow, child's play. You could take this thing into the wild with nothing but a backpack and a questionable map, and it would get you home before sunset. Step inside, and you'll notice something refreshing. Simplicity. The dashboard is upright and rugged. With chunky buttons you can operate even with gloves on. Because Suzuki knows Jimny drivers don't sip soy lattes, they scale cliffs. But don't think it's outdated. There's now a crisp 9-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital analog instrument cluster, and surprisingly comfy seats for such a small ride. And that extra rear legroom in the 5-door? Chef's kiss. It's not a luxury lounge, but it's a command center. And out there in the wild, that's exactly what you need. Sure, the Jimny isn't going to parallel park itself or sing you lullabies like some luxury SUVs, but it is watching your back. 2026 brings adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, autonomous emergency braking, and even traffic sign recognition. It's got brains to match the brawn. And here's a cool one. Suzuki added an off-road camera system that shows you terrain angles, wheel positions, and surroundings in real time. It's like having X-ray vision, only, way more legal. Here's the thing no spec sheet can tell you. The Jimny has soul. It's the kind of car that makes people smile when they see it. The kind that turns off-roaders into loyalists and city drivers into adventurers. It doesn't pretend to be everything for everyone, it just does what it does. Better than anything else in its class. Want a school-run SUV? Sure, you can find one. Want a mountain-taming, river-splashing, smile-inducing legend for under 30 grand? There's only one, and it's wearing a Suzuki badge. So, is the 2026 Jimny for you? If you crave attention at valet stands or drag races, probably not. But if you've ever looked at a dirt path and thought, I wonder where that goes, then yeah, this little beast might just be your soulmate on 4 wheels. Love what you just heard? Then do us a solid, comment below, and tell us where you'd take the new Jimny first. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories on the world's most lovable, rugged, and ridiculous rides. Because here, we don't just review cars, we uncover legends.